students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and having good time with your family. Today we are going to start new chapter from our book Honeydew. ठीक है? New chapter from our book Honeydew. The name of the chapter is A Visit to Cambridge. This chapter is about the author Firdaus Kanga. This about the Stephen Hawking. ठीक है? This chapter is about Stephen Hawking. This is written by Firdaus Kanga. Who has written? Firdaus Kanga. ठीक है? This is written by Firdaus Kanga and this chapter is about Stephen Hawking. This is the visit of Firdaus Kanga in England, ठीक है? In Cambridge. किस तरीके से they are meeting and what happened with them. This story describes all these things. First, I will tell you about Stephen Hawking, born in 8th January 1942. 8th January 1942. 8 Jan 1942 born हुआ है उनका and died on 14th March 2018. ठीक है? 8th Jan 1942 उनका born है and 14th March 2018 में उनकी डेथ हुई है, उनका देहांत हुआ है in 2018, just 2 years before. ठीक है? So about this author, he has written a best-seller book, A Brief History of India. ठीक है? A Brief History of India. He has written the book, which is the best-seller book in our time, as we can say. Now about Stephen Hawking. ठीक है? What is happening and what is this chapter about? This chapter is about a story of meeting two disabled personalities, as I have mentioned over here. Disabled personalities. Two disabled personalities are meeting in this chapter. This chapter derives about the Firdaus Kanga and Stephen Hawking. ठीक है? How they are meeting with them. This chapter gives an information about the disabled personalities, how they are surviving. Next, that is about Kanga. He is a writer, author, ठीक है? Born and brought up in Mumbai. He went to the London. He met Stephen Hawking. ठीक है? ये मुंबई में रहते हैं, राइटर हैं, ऑथर हैं, and he is writing. This chapter is also written by this our Firdaus Kanga, and he is also not, we can say, disabled, but a sum of disabled, as I can say. He has a problem of, now उनकी नसें जो है ना, that is bones, as we can say, they are very weak. How they are weak? When Kanga stood up, ठीक है? When Kanga stand up on their position or if he walk, तो उनकी जो हड्डियां हैं, bones है, वो टूट जाते हैं. That is called brittle bones. That is called brittle bones. उसको कहा जाता है brittle bones. Brittle bones हैं उनके, ठीक है? As I have mentioned, brittle bones. ठीक है? Whenever he stands up और ऐसा कुछ भी होता है, तो उनकी जो bones है वो टूट जाती हैं. So doctor suggested him that he has to be on wheelchair for the rest of his life. ठीक है? उनकी बर्थ से जब से वो चलना सीखे, दौड़ना सीखे, खड़े होना सीखे, from that period of time उनकी जो है ऐसे ही चलना रहेगा. Doctor has advised him. After that, what happened with the Stephen? ठीक है? Mr. Stephen Hawking. The thing is, he become paralyzed. ठीक है? वो paralyzed हो गए. In a form of paralyzed, he has to be sit on the wheelchair, and he is operating everything with the basis of computer. ठीक है? He has बोलते ना कि उनकी एक wheelchair, जैसे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक wheelchair बनी हुई है, motorized wheelchair, as I can say. मोटराइज्ड व्हील चेयर है, इन ऑन दैट बेसिस ही हैज टू स्पीक, उसके थ्रू उनको चलना होता है, बोलना होता है, सो ही हैज टू वर्क एवरीथिंग ऑन दैट व्हील चेयर. After that, a visit to Cambridge. Now I will describe about the Firdaus Kanga. The chapter starts from here that Mr. Kanga visited to the Cambridge, which is situated in England. ठीक है, England is in UK. So वो Cambridge visit करते हैं. When he was having his tour, ठीक है, वो टूर पे टूर उनका खत्म हुआ. आफ्टर अ गाइडर, जो वहाँ पे गाइडर होता है, वो उनको बताता है दैट द अवर स्टीफन हॉकिंग्स आर लिविंग इन इंग्लैंड ओनली, अ पुअर मैन, ऐसा वो डिराइव करता है. वो पुअर वर्ड सुन के मिस्टर कांगा जो है वो बहुत दुखी हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, he having some grief in his mind that why people are telling Mr. Hawkins a poor man. He is not poor by his own. ठीक है, he is mentally disabled only. बाकी poor तो वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, because in the university he is having a chair of Isaac Newton. ठीक है, न्यूटन का चेयर उनको दिया गया है. So by money he is not poor at all. If they are considering him poor just because of mentally disabled, that is not good. That why he is having some उनको एक बहुत बुरा लग रहा था. He was feeling very bad for the same. Once he has completed his tour, he went directly to the phone booth. ठीक है, he has string that phone booth, he has pushed that string and he tried to communicate with the assistant of Mr. Hawkins. ठीक है, he called Mr. Hawking, assistant of Mr. Hawking, and Mr. Hawkins जो assistant था, he was a very gratitude heart, as I can say, a very well specified person, well qualified person. He directly Mr. Kanga asked him for the 10 minutes of Stephen Hawking, but he has given 30 minutes of it. Like from 3:30 to 4, he can meet Mr. Stephen Hawking. ठीक है? After all this, he came to meet the Mr. Hawkins. ठीक है, उनकी बातें होती हैं. He has asked a lot of questions. The first question he asked to Mr. Hawkins that how he feels when people see the sympathy or they talk about their bravery. ठीक है, so this is the matter. इस तरीके से बहुत सारे ऐसे क्वेश्चंस, वार्तालाप उनके होते हैं, कन्वर्सेशंस उनके होते हैं. And after that, actually the thing is कि he is asking many of the questions. The most important thing is कि the Mr. Hawkins has to reply through the computer. ठीक है, why he has to reply with the computer? Because he is not able to speak just because of the paralyzed. So he has to take 3 minutes to reply a single question. How he gets reply? Like Mr. Kanga was not able to recognize even that the question which he is asking, are Mr. Hawking is satisfied with it or not? Is that Mr. Hawking is satisfied with it or not? Because as you know, as I am asking you the questions that how are you students, if you are happy and if you want to reply me in proper manner, I can come to know that you are replying me with a good manner or whatever it will be. But when the computer comes, ठीक है, if I am asking to the computer how are you, how he will reply me? He will reply me I'm fine, ऐसा करके, right? Because उनकी जो रोबोटिक टोन ही अलग होती है कंप्यूटर का. So we are not, Mr. Kanga is not able to recognize of it कि how Mr. Hawkins is replying to him. ठीक है, उस तरीके से आगे उनकी वार्तालाप स्टार्ट होती है, आगे और बढ़ती है. He is asking us lots of questions to him, but along with this, Mr. Hawking is also frustrated while he was typing in the computer. He has to type the things with his palm. ठीक है, with his fingers. Some of the with the palm, some of the fingers. So once he is not finding any words, he become frustrated. After all this, Mr. Kanga asking questions, asking question to the Mr. Hawking, to Mr. Hawking. What he is asking that what is the behavior of the people once they come to meet you? अब उनका behavior क्या होता है? He replied with the like emphasizingly वो reply करते हैं उनको that sometimes he liked to meet, sometimes he don't like to meet. In the same way Mr. Kanga उनसे पूछते क्या मेरे जैसे लोग जब आपसे मिलने आते हैं, how do you feel at that period of time? Are you feeling good or are you feeling frustrated? तो वो कहते हैं yes, I feel frustrated. ऐसा करके वो एक थोड़ी सी छोटी सी स्माइल करते हैं. फर्स्ट मिस्टर कांगा फील कि नहीं, he is not satisfied with the questions which Mr. Kanga is asking, but after seeing a small smile on the face of Mr. Hawkins, he become मतलब बोलता ना कि एक अच्छा उसको फील होता है कि नहीं नहीं वो तो ह्यूमर करने के मतलब मस्ती करने के मूड में है. दैट्स व्हाई इज रिप्लाइंग मी इन दिस वे. आगे और भी स्टोरी कंटिन्यू होती है स्टूडेंट्स. दैट स्टोरी वी विल कंटिन्यू इन आवर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. ठीक है, टिल दैट बाय बाय, टेक केयर, स्टे एट होम, स्टे सेफ.